down, yeah, you know I'm the racks out. Whole game pop, we can show you how to act out. You ain't making noise, stay your ass in the background. SRT, supercharge with the cat sound. All that hoe juice, now I ain't even got a mag down. Hurts in the edit here hard, got me bind down. All the security got the fighting on me right now.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy STAJ. Back with another video, back with another vlog. And today is a special day. We just hit over 5K subscribers on YouTube. We just hit over 10K on Instagram. We will be doing a giveaway on my Instagram, link in the description if you want to see the details on that. There will be a post on my Instagram page. But now we're gonna roll to 10K on YouTube, y'all. You know, I haven't posted in the last 2 weeks, took a little break, a little detox. 2 weeks ago, I was at 700 subscribers, and I go to look today, we're at 500. I didn't even get a chance to say thank you for 1K, so thank you for 1K, thank you for 5K. It's the only way up from here is up. I really appreciate y'all, because a lot of things won't be possible without y'all, and y'all support. Y'all make me want to keep doing YouTube, you know what I'm saying? So comment below what y'all want me to do, what y'all want to see, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm gonna get this content out for y'all, but y'all stay tuned, keep watching the vlog. Yeah, a little cold start on the car that I shot before this video of both cars. Yeah, man, we're gonna get into it. Start the day. A cold start on both the cars, man. Let's do the Jeep first. Jeep ski. Then we're gonna do the Charger, man. Got the Charger, motherfucker, man. But we gonna go Jeep today. That's the car I'm feeling today. You know what I'm saying? To run these errands. And then we gonna be back and we gonna go get in the Charger. And we gonna go get them tires put on. We gonna cut up in traffic for y'all, man. For sure. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip. YouTube! Welcome back to another video. It's your boy STAJ. Back with another video, back with another banger, back with another vlog, man. You know, you see it. Hey, outside with it, man. We got my boy Himmy Timmy right here. You know what I'm saying? Got that scat motherfucker right there, y'all. Bruh. Man is stupid. What he on, y'all? YouTube! Man, hey, subscribe right now if y'all want to see more content like this. Real shit. They said, hey, damn, cut. Damn. Put that motherfucker up. Trunkiana motherfucker right there, y'all. Like the video, I'll go buy one in 2 months. I swear to God, just like the video. Just like the video. That motherfucker just went crazy, just went stupid. Tell him about the car, man. Tell him about the car, man.
It's slow as fuck. My shit's slow.
Slow as fuck. Y'all see it? Little V6 motherfucker.
V6?
V6 with Brembos. Fuck you talking about?
I swear.
They said slide that motherfucker, gang.
Slide that bitch.
YouTube said slide that motherfucker. You got that motherfucker, y'all. Alright, y'all, man, I did shake, man. Police pulled up real crazy, you know what I'm saying? I don't really condone none of the illegal stuff because I don't do nothing illegal. I drive the speed limit, as y'all know. But right now, man, I'm gonna head to the crib. We just got some food, you know what I'm saying? If you ever come to St. Louis or East St. Louis, you know what I'm saying? If you want to be in the trenches, get you some food, man. Get you some Chinese food. We got the best Chinese food in the world, man. Like, our Chinese food better than the Chinese food in China, like over in Asia, you know what I'm saying? Like, we just like that, you know what I'm saying? But right now I'm gonna head to the crib, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep vlogging. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all, man. Real talk. YouTube, it's your boy STAJ, man. It's the next day, man. Right now, We head to my boy Twan crib right now. We in traffic with something crazy. That's a C8 motherfucker up there, y'all. C8 motherfucker. Should I make him cut up, y'all? He gonna leave my ass. That motherfucker hard. Motherfucker hard as fuck. But yeah, man, we still vlogging. Finna head to my boy Twan crib. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get this Corvette motherfucker to cut up. He ain't on it. I like the wing on that motherfucker, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. The camera not trying to pick up. Got the wing on that motherfucker like it's fully loaded. One day I'll go vet though, but it won't be no C8. It won't be that C8 motherfucker, y'all. But switch a couple lanes real quick. He ain't on nothing. Got the GT motherfucker that look like my car. Making me look bad, gang. Nigga making me look bad. This motherfucker so raw. Y'all see that motherfucker. Motherfucker so raw. We in that cat trip, motherfucker, y'all. One day, hey, like the video right now. Like the video right now. We going Hellcat in 2 months. I swear to God, on my mom's life, if y'all like this video, super crazy.
And if he get a lot of views, bro, I'll buy him a Hellcat.
Exactly, bro.
I'm broke.
Man, check it out. Hey, YouTube, check it out. We in that cat trip, motherfucker, today, man. You know what I'm saying? Red out, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Hey, come get the badge real quick. You know what I'm saying? This is my car right here, though. Y'all didn't even know it. This is my car. Just letting them borrow. You know what I'm saying? Hey, little motherfucker. Like the video right now so I get a red eye, y'all. Right now.
He said, "What's up, guys?"
It's an XXT what? Red eye fake. It's just going through my speakers.
Hard as fuck.
Damn. Hey, that nigga rich. You rich?
Hey, I'm trying to find a real
Red eye motherfucker, y'all. You know what I'm saying?
You gonna go close?
As you can see.
Hell no.
Got the info motherfucker right there, y'all.
No, hell no. This love is opener.
This a leg maker?
Hell yeah. So what I did was, it was a closed box at first. I kept the tube in there. But, and I put a leg maker on it. It makes it sound, you get the supercharger. Yeah, you get the supercharger. It makes it sound way loud.
I wish I could pop my hood. Popping it, y'all. Popping it. Man, talk your shit, man. Talk your shit, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. Ape shit, man. Hey, boy, I thought you was shooting at me, gang. I ain't even gonna lie. Damn! Alright, y'all, we finna head to one more location. And then, if this one get jumped up by the police, man, you know what I'm saying? If it get bumped, going to the crib, man, it's gonna end the vlog, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one and shit. But y'all stay tuned, man. If y'all watching the video, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you're enjoying this type of content. I really appreciate it. I'm finna try to do some other stuff besides car content. So, if you wanna see that, man, go ahead, subscribe, man. See you at the next clip. As y'all can see, man, we is cutting up in traffic. With that fast shit, y'all. M4 right here. SRT 392, wide body Scat Pro Charge C6 up there, a red eye and a modified, heavily modified Hellcat, man. I'll leave J Fast Lane.
years old with 500,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with... Look, I kick it with a thought, if she really than a classy one. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm son. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG into that nigga.